One thing we did not discuss from 4.1 and 4.2 is domain, range, and asymptotes. We discussed asymptotes, we didn't discuss domain and range. So when you're talking about you should be able to find this out when you graph it. But when you're talking about exponentials, the domain will always be from negative infinity to infinity. The range, you're going to have to look on the graph, but it has not been flipped, so this is only if it's not been flipped. It's from the vertical shift, so that's Vs to infinity. If it has been flipped, it's from negative infinity to the vertical shift. And the asymptote is y equals the vertical shift. For logarithmic graphs, which we just went over, for vertical shift, Vs equals vertical shift, and I will use Hs in a moment for horizontal shift. Remember, since these are inverses, everything's going to switch. So, for logarithmic graphs, the domain is going to be what the range was, except instead of Vs for vertical shift, we'll have horizontal shift to infinity. That's if it's not flipped. I should say it not flipped on y. For here, not flipped vertically. Flipped vertically and not flipped horizontally for these two. If it's flipped horizontally, it will be from negative infinity to the horizontal shift. For the range is the y's, since it's the inverse of this is going to take what the x values were. So the x values for the domain were negative infinity to infinity, so now the y values here are going to be from negative infinity to infinity, and the asymptote is x equals the horizontal shift now instead of the vertical shift.